I made this beautiful fluffy fall dress for my birthday. So let's get started. First, I'm just showing a clip right here of how we laid the paper out. I taped regular pieces of paper together because I couldn't find my fabric paper. But later on in this video, you'll see that I found it. So anyways, first step will be to find a dress that fits you really well. Lay it onto the fabric paper, trace around it, and add 1/2 inch of seam allowance all the way around. And then just cut it out. So after you got everything all drawn out and marked, you can go ahead and lay your fabric down. I got this fabric from Joann's. I put a picture of it at the beginning so you can see the price and everything on it and exactly what kind it is. Just lay down that side that we labeled fold on the edge of the fabric, and it should be folded double so you can cut out the entire front piece without having a seam in the middle. So lay the center front onto the fold of the fabric. And here it is all cut out. Still folded in half. Remember, this is folded in half, not 2 separate pieces. And here I'm just pinning the side seams together before I get ready to put it on my serger. Got to get into this new serger right here. I just got a week before I filmed this video. I'm gonna put the link on Amazon. I'm gonna put the Amazon link down below where you can get you one. But yeah, I'm just gonna start by serging the 2 shoulder pieces together. I didn't pin these because they were so small, so if you're a beginner, go ahead and pin those before you sew. But yeah, that's just a small shoulder strap. I'm serging right sides together. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the other shoulder strap. Just serge it right sides together, and then I'll move on to the body part that we just pinned. So here's a clip of me the first time I tried this dress on. As you can see, those armholes are really tight, so I ended up taking those down about 2 inches, and I brought the straps up probably about 1/2 inch just to make the bust not sag as much. Yeah. I gotta find a way to get the button there somehow.
We gotta do something. Do a few squats before the birthday.
Eat a couple donuts, something. Alright. I think this is good. This strap, I think they're tight enough, but I don't want the neckline to be too high. See, we get surgery on this dress. That look like crap.
Definitely. Because that neck was down here.
What was going on?
That was a little too much necking.
I think I'm gonna trim everything now.
I feel like before we did it like this, I feel like a person that could wear, like the people that wear a 3X could fit it at first.
They could, yeah. Hey, you think it's tight enough, right? Or do you think I should
That's tight.
take it out? It's tight.
Yeah, that's
I don't
tight.
want to see a single piece of me falling out.
It's tight.
Alright. I just think we need the trim, and let me put the shoes on. I can get.
Alright, we're gonna get the shoes. We'll be back.
Huh? Let's just tighten it a little bit more. But the armpits look good. The back look good. And then the front, it tightened up a lot.
Let them know what you had to do to
take the straps up. What?
You can't breathe.
Not really. I got on 2 waist trainers. I took the straps up 2 inches, and then I serged the sides where we left off the last time. Now, I think I'm gonna make this tighter. But we gotta put some at the bottom because it's about to be. Or should I just flip it up once and take a risk? I feel like it's that short. It depends on what the back looks like. See the back, the butt is covered.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do here is take this chair, scoot up. We're gonna let y'all see if she can sit down, and if it raises up like crazy, we'll have to fix it.
See, it's not that short.
Okay, it's good. Okay, it's perfection.
I think it'll be fine.
It should.
Alright, so now I gotta figure out what to do
And
here.
then, like, with the two-way trend, it's bringing, yeah, you can tell, like, they're up there.
No. And then I'm gonna put something around these. I might hem them, or I might put a little cuff around them to make it look like I got like kind of like that. And then for the bottom, how would another layer of fabric? Imagine it, but let me see. Like a trim around it. But I don't like how it would be fine loose if it was this side part. It needs to be even. So something needs to be done. But this needs to be, well, it might be tight enough. I don't know.
It's giving, I don't think you have to have no, it's because it's giving.
Is it giving bootylicious or?
Yeah, it is.
Alright, you get some movement. Edit this part out. Alright, in the back, this need to be brought up. Pushing my butt. Alright. I think it'll look fine.
It is good. It should.
Alright. Now what? Now on to the shoes. Everything on these shoes will be linked down below in my Amazon storefront. I repeat, they will be linked down below my Amazon storefront. If you're gonna make this look live to me, anyways, I just put a light coat of spray paint on this shoe. Let it dry for about 2 hours, and then I put a second coat. You don't have to let it set for 2 hours. I was just lazy and I didn't come back for 2 hours. Anyway, moving on to the next clip. You're going to watch my assistant do this part because I was already tired and worn out. So she's just going to super glue, whatever, hot glue, the fabric, same fabric we used for this dress onto the, what do you call that? Assistant, help me out. What do you call that?
I don't know. I actually do not know what they call that.
You can see what we're doing in the video. We super glued it to the front part of the shoe. No specific way. I just cut out little strips, glued it on, and then we cut off the excess with some little baby scissors. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just watch, okay? And as you can see, we did a terrible job taping up the soles of these shoes. So don't be like us and actually take the time out to tape the soles properly. But I knew I was only going to wear these once, so I didn't really worry about it too much. But anyways, Aaliyah, how long did this take you?
Probably 30 or 40 minutes. Not long.
30, 40 minutes. Was it hard?
Kinda. Because I got burnt a million times and that stuff hurt.
Besides a few burns, it's probably pretty easy. But I don't know because I didn't do it. So yeah. And also, we couldn't figure out how to add music to this clip to make it more entertaining, so
deal with it.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to, well, yada 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 assistant. Anyway, this clip is longer than I thought. I'm running out of music.
Also, I was thinking of adding fur on the heel, but we decided not to.
Yeah, that was gonna be way too much work. Ooh. Oh, look. I can't on the shoe. Let's hone in on the shoe. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm a video, cause why not? Yes.
We know we gotta put this on TikTok. Huh? I gotta put this on TikTok. That's why I got it.
No. Deal with it.
Ribbon at the last minute. I meant to take something out of my balloons, but
Yeah.
I'm trying to see how to get her that plate.
oh, right here.
Oh my goodness.
There you go. It's kind of heavy, so. She look like a boo basket.
TikTok. I had to have one.
I think I hit that Me Too fast. I ain't down a little bit.
And then the thing about it is, it's a.
Deal with it. You gotta show the camera. Come on. Go ahead.
Zoom in on it. Make sure you get up real far.
Come on, I don't want to. You better. You better.
It smells divine. Good, does I'm gonna cut all this off. Because it's just too long. I'm trying to give many.
Who's that a man? Go there with them.
You see how I get lighter here? What? Yeah.
Go back like that.
Let's see. That camera gonna be like that. I don't know what. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that looks better. Yeah. There we go. This hair got enough volume. A little too much.
All right.